To remove a brake caliper piston without compressed air. Here's a quick example of what a stuck brake caliper sounds like. I've got two options for you today. One was leaving the brake caliper on the car, which is my preferred method, and then one which does require it requires a bike pump, and this is what you have to do if the brake caliper is off the car. So we'll go over the bike method first. So I haven't got a video of this, but all you're going to do is remove it, crank off the bleed nipple, which looks like this, and then you're just going to put your thumb over the brake line hose hole, and then you're going to pump air using a brake with the bike pump over the bleed nipple. This only really works with brake calipers which aren't that corroded. The method you're currently looking at is whilst the brake caliper is still connected, someone's in the car pumping the brakes, okay? Make sure you are wearing gloves, unlike myself, because this stuff is carcinogenic, and also you've got a pot underneath to catch any excess liquid. After this, or sometimes before this, some people prefer doing this before, some people prefer doing it after, is you're just going to remove the rubber grommet on the outside, okay, just using the pick, and then you're just going to go into the cleaning process. So, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any queries, then please put them down in the comment section, and I'll get straight back to you. That is proper in there. There we go, nice. And then what we'll do is I'll just